Dark clouds covered the sky, and the first raindrops began to fall. Among them was one small drop, trembling as it came down. It landed gently on a leaf hanging over a big river. Clinging to its surface, it looked down at the flowing water below and felt afraid. I don't want to fall, the raindrop whispered. If I let go, I will disappear. The river below, calm and deep, heard the raindrop's fear and spoke gently. Disappear? My dear, you are only a shape appearing on the surface of time. You were never separate from me. The raindrop hesitated. But right now, I am me. I have my own form. If I drop into you, I will be lost. The river chuckled softly. Tell me, where did you come from? The raindrop thought for a moment. From the clouds. And before that, the raindrop was silent. I don't remember. The river's voice was calm and wise. You were once the ocean. The sun lifted you into the sky. The wind carried you far away. And the clouds held you until it was time. Now you return. You do not vanish. You become vast. The raindrop shivered, looking down one last time. Then, with a deep breath, it let go. The moment it touched the river, something magical happened. It did not disappear. It expanded. It felt itself spread in all directions, moving with the current, touching the sky, becoming part of something much bigger. And for the first time, the raindrop laughed.